हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवीएम डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। टुडे we discuss about some most important concept of business or managerial economics. Significance of managerial economics. The significance of managerial or business economics can discuss under the managerial economics is concerned with those aspects of traditional economics which are relevant for business decisions making in real life. These are adapted or modified with a view of enable of managerial take better decisions. Thus, managerial or business economics accomplishes the objective of building a suitable toolkit from traditional economics. Next significance of managerial or business economics is that it is also incorporate useful idea from other disciplines such as psychology, sociology, etc. If they are found relevant to decision making. In fact, managerial economics take the help with other disciplines having a bearing on the business decision in relation various explicit or implicit content subject to with resources allocation is to be optimized. Managerial economics help in reaching a variety of business decisions in a complicated environment. Certain examples are what product and service should be produced. Next, what inputs and production techniques should be used. How much output should be produced and what price it should be sold. What are the best size and locations of new plant? When should equipment be replaced? And how should be available capital be allocated? Managerial or business economics make a manager a more competent model builder. It helps him appreciate the essential relationship characterizing a given situation. At the level of the firm where its operations are conducted through known focus functional areas such as finance, marketing, personnel and production, managerial economics serve as integrating agent by coordinating the activity in these different areas. Managerial or business economics take cognizance of integration between the firm and society and accomplishes the key role of an agent in achieving its social and economic welfare goals. It has come to be realized that a business, apart from its obli- obligations, shareholders have certain social obligations. Managerial economics focuses attend on this social obligation as content subject to which business decisions are taken. It serves as an instrument in furthering the economic welfare of the society through socially oriented business decisions. Thank you. In next video, we will discuss about difference between economics and managerial economics. Thank you.